Working professionals, are you using Excel, Power BI, PowerPoint or Word in your day-to-day life? What if I tell you that you're wasting 95% of your time while you're doing so? How so, you will be asking me? Because you're not using ChatGPT and AI tools while doing all of these work.
Hi everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. My name is Narendra and welcome back to Office Master. Today we are diving into a fundamental yet powerful function in Microsoft Excel, the PMT function. Whether you are a seasoned Excel user or just starting out, understanding how the PMT function works can greatly enhance your financial analysis and planning capabilities. But before we move forward, I would like to tell you that we are offering an exclusive workshop on Microsoft Office using AI tools. The link is in the description. We'll talk more about it later in the video. So what exactly is the PMT function is? We'll simplify it for you. It's a function used to calculate the payment of a loan based on constant payments and a constant interest rate. We are calculating monthly mortgage payments, car loan payments, or any other type of loan. The PMT function can save a ton of time and effort. So let's dive into Excel and see how the PMT function works in action. I've took an example from the official Microsoft support page. So I've just copied this data here in my Excel. First of all, let's see syntax of PMT function. So here we have rate, which is the interest rate for the loan. Then we have NPER, which is the number of total payments for the loan. We have a PV, which is present value or the total amount that a series of future payments is worth now. Then we have FP, which means the future value or a cash balance you want to attain after the last payment is made. Then we have type, which is optional. Here number 0 or 1 and indicates when the payment are due. So let's see the syntax in action by solving a problem. So we have total 3 problems. Before we solve these problems, I would like to tell you one important thing which all of you need to know. AI is taking over the world in such a short span of time. We have seen so many layoffs, millions of jobs replaced by AI and whatnot. You don't want to get affected by this recession wave, right? Well, AI won't replace you, but the person using AI will. If you want to save your job and become irreplaceable in your career, join our 2-hour Microsoft Office using AI tools workshop, in which we will teach you about the best AI tools to upskill, increase your productivity, and enhance your career. Make your future secure with us. Join our workshop by clicking the link in the description now. Now, back to the topic. So, first of all, let's solve this problem. Here we are going to calculate the monthly payment for a loan with these things. First of all, we have annual interest rate, which is 8%. Then we have number of months of payments, which is 10. Then we have amount, which we took, which is 10,000. So I'm going to calculate the monthly payment for a loan here. So first of all, we have to select the rate, which is the annual interest rate. So we are going to calculate the monthly payment for a loan, right? So we have to divide this annual interest rate by 12. Then we have a number of months of payment. In this example, that is 10. After that, we have a present value or the total loan amount, which is 10,000. And we are not going to select the future value or type. As you can see, we got the answer, which is 1,037 rupees. So here we are using ABS to get the positive value, but we are going to pay this amount, right? That's why it will be in negative value. Okay. So here we are going to calculate the monthly payment for a loan with the same things, but one thing is different here is we have to get the payments which are due at the beginning of the period. So for that we have to change only one thing. So let me show you. So I'm going to select the interest rate divided by 12. Then we have a number of months of payments, which is 10. After that we have 10,000. So I'm not going to select the future value, and here I have to select 1 for beginning of the period. So here I got the value 1030. Okay. So here we have another problem. Here we have to calculate the amount to save each month to have 50,000 at the end of 18 years. Okay. How much money we have to save each month to have 50,000 at the end of 18 years. Okay. So for that, what we have to do is, here I'm using a PMT function. First of all, we have to select the interest rate, which is 6% here by 12. Then we have a number of months of payments, which is 18. We have to multiply it into 12. Okay. Because we want to save each month and get 50,000 by the end of 18 years, right? That's why I'm just multiplying it with 12. Then here present value should be 0 by the end of loan. Okay. Then future value should be 50,000, right? Okay, I'm not going to select the type or anything like that. So I have to save 129 rupees each month to have 50,000 at the end of 18 years. So that's it for this video. I hope you all learned something from this video. And that's a wrap for today's video. I hope you found this tutorial on the PMT function helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share the video, and subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos. Also, do check out our workshop link in the description. We'll see you there. Thank you.